How to automatically save screenshots on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be demonstrating how you can set up your Windows system to automatically save screenshots to the designated pictures folder. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's dive right into the steps. Currently, the screenshots you take are not being saved automatically. To change this, you have to first launch the spinning tool and look for the three dots or the more option in it. Then navigate to the settings and enable the automatically save screenshots toggle. That's it. From now on, any screenshots you capture will be saved automatically. You can also verify this by checking that the screenshot you took had just indeed been saved automatically. And that's all for this demonstration. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And feel free to drop any questions you have in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a fantastic day ahead.